So for this, we're going to use inside round. It's really cheap. So mura lang siya kasi the steak is very tough. So now we're going to try different ways on how we can make it tender because it's really tough. Ayan, makita mo. Not much marbling, very lean. So you know it's going to be very tough. So matigas tong steak na to. But we will try our best to make it as tender as possible, as easy as possible. So okay, first steak, medyo malaki. Relatively equal parts naman. This one, and this one. We're going to use 3 different marinades para fair. Okay, marinade number 1, ginger beer. And then marinade number 2, Sprite. Marinade number 3, sparkling water. So, we'll see later kung sino ang pinaka-effective with tenderness and taste. First one is the ginger beer. Make sure it is submerged para talagang ma-marinate siya ng gusto. We're gonna marinate that for about almost an hour. Okay, next contestant is Sprite. Okay, so narinig niyo yan, legit yung Sprite. Now this one is just sparkling water. So may carbonated siya, carbonated spring water, but walang flavor. Okay, so narinig niyo yun, legit din siya. So lahat naman sila carbonated, and as you can see, it's basically very tough, cheap steak that we're hoping to tenderize using these carbonated beverages, and then we'll do a taste test later and find out which one is the best. So this one is an extra piece, so sayang naman, so we're gonna use something else for this one. Okay, bonus secret ingredient, marinated with honey. Honey bear. So, kailangan both sides niya may honey. I'll see you later. It's done. 1 hour for all of these. So, let's go ahead. So, unahin muna natin si ginger ale. Actually, let's see kung ano nangyari sa kanila. So, the ginger ale, halos medyo Oh wow. I think pinaka-effective si ginger ale. Let's see, because medyo naghihiwa-hiwalay na siya. So it's most likely very tender. Ito, not as much, but yeah, medyo naghihiwa-hiwalay din. If you look at that. So most likely effective din si Sprite. Now let's see. Okay. Yeah, same thing. Parang si Sprite. Medyo naghihiwa-hiwalay lang siya. But I can say that si ginger beer, ang pinaka halos nasisira na siya nung kinukuha ko. Na honey, as you can see, hindi siya namuti. So it didn't turn white like the others, but visibly it does feel more tender. But we will see. Ito si Control, matigas pa rin. So it's still hard, nothing's happened, but medyo fatty area, so at least meron siyang fighting chance. We'll see later. Okay, time to remove the marinade. Unahin natin si ginger beer kasi mukhang nagbibitak-bitak na siya. So make sure to rinse it very well because you don't want any ginger flavor. Siguro meron pa rin flavor yan konti, but I want to take as much of it out para hindi ma-influence yung lasa. So gusto natin lasang steak pa rin siya, hindi siya lasang ginger. Okay, medyo malamig. So next is Sprite. Okay, so ito na si sparkling water. Ito yung honey. Okay, good. So, look, namuti nga rin siya nung naalis yung honey. So, same thing nung iba. Yeah, this looks very promising. We will see. Okay. So, bago natin sila lutuan, make sure to drain the water. Pat it dry para lang mas maganda yung pagka-sear pag lulutuin na natin siya. Ano sa ginger ale? It's gonna be the same seasoning for everyone para just to be fair. So simple lang, it's just salt and some pepper. Make sure to get both sides.
Madali.
How is it?
Madali siyang makat. Can I try now?
Yes, please. How is it?
Harap.
Malambot?
Malambot.
Tender.
Tender.
Yeah.
Ay! Parang mas madali ko siyang na-slice compared to that.
Really?
Yeah.
How's the taste? Tenderness.
Tenderness is good. Parang same level sila ng tenderness. Pero mas malasa pa.
Oh, really? Okay. Try this sa gitna.
This one?
Yeah. Ano ba yan?
Ano pa yan? Pwede kong ibaliktad.
Sige, Ray.
Ay, medyo lumalaban.
Malaboy pa.
Lumalaban! Kanti na nga lang na-cut ko pero
How is it?
no, matigas.
Really?
Yeah, matigas.
And, pero masarap.
Yeah. Medyo matabang din. Ito yung pinakamalasa. Kanilang tatlo. Pero ang tigas nito.
Tingnan mo yung gitna. Tingnan mo yung, open mo yung gitna.
Which one? This one?
Kasi medyo obvious na siguro kung sino yan.
Ito?
Yeah.
Okay.
So that is the
Control.
control. So, yung matigas, walang marinade.
Walang marinade. At matigas talaga.
At matigas na rin. Oh, cheap steak yun. Okay. Yeah.
This one?
This one, yeah. Malaban?
Medyo matigas din, pero mas matigas pa rin yung control.
Okay.
Ay, matigas. Matamis. Masarap.
Really?
Masarap siya, though hindi siya ganun kalambot.
Oh.
Pero masarap.
Okay. Pero mas malambot pa rin kesa dun sa control.
Yes. Mas malambot pa din compared dito. Ito, better than the taste compared dito sa dalawa. Pero ito masarap.
Type mo.
Yes, masarap to.
Okay.
Compared sa kanilang dalawa, better yung taste nito. But then, mas tender to.
So, try the last one.
Nakapal siya.
Siya yung makapal nga. How is it?
Hindi siya ganun kalambot.
Really?
No?
Oh. But, the taste?
Medyo kalasa na to.
Well, interesting because silipin mo kung ano yan.
This one?
Yung dalawa sa dulo.
The first one is sparkling water. Oh, Sprite. Oh, magkalasa sila.
Anong better? Yung sparkling water or yung Sprite?
Kailangan ko ulitin. Hindi, joke lang. Yung Sprite.
Okay.
Sprite naman. And then, can I open na?
Yeah.
So for me, ang winner sa lasa is this one, the last one. Sa tenderness, this one, second and the last.
Okay.
So yung lasa muna. Ah, honey, kaya pala, manamis-namis. Honey. And this one is ginger beer! So ginger beer yung pinaka-tender. Try natin.
Wow.
And to think, hindi masyadong submerged to, di ba? Pero masarap siya.
Okay. So let me taste.
Your turn.
My turn. My turn! So para sa akin, ang winner is ginger beer.
Ginger beer.
Second is honey.
Honey.
Then Sprite. Then sparkling water. Then control. Ayaw, pangit control. Di rin siya ganun kalasa compared sa kanila eh.
Oo.
So ikaw, number one mo. Okay.
So for me, ang number one ko, honey.
Yeah.
Dahil sa lasa, though mas tender yung
Ginger
mas
beer.
tender yung mas tender yung ginger beer. Mas type ko yung lasa ng honey. And yung tenderness naman niya is equal sa Sprite and sparkling water. So sa akin, number one, honey, ginger beer, Sprite, and then sparkling water. Wag na natin ito isama.
Oo, kasi in-expect ko siya yung pinakamalasa, pero hindi rin eh.
Hindi rin. Pero at least na-compare natin talaga with or, di ba,
Wala.
with or without.
Yeah. And considering yan na rin yung Yung control, kinuha ko yung fatty part na nga eh.
Okay. Yun pa naman yung gusto ko. Fatty part. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you for preparing. Let's eat.
Let's eat.
Bye.
Let's eat.